In this today's video tutorial for the OpenCart multi-window hotel booking management system, we'll be showing you the workflow at the admin's end. We'll not be checking out the initial configurations, but we'll be seeing what different options are there under the hotel booking and management system to the marketplace admin and how he can set up the same. And before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. Right now I'm at the storefront. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let me enter my username password, and then I'll be logging into the marketplace hotel booking management system. So let's tap in login. The initial configurations I'll be showing you that in the video. You can also check the user guide that I've attached within the description below this particular plugin to understand more about the initial configuration and settings from the admin backend panel. So after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the admin can see the marketplace hotel booking and reservation menu option on the side panel, and under that he'll be able to manage the hotels and can manage the hotel hosts as well. So today we'll just be going through the hotels and we'll be checking how these sections can be used by the admin. So when the admin can list his hotels. So under the hotels, we have hotels. So let's go to that one first. So from here, the admin can create a new hotel by tapping here on the add button. Can delete any of the ones by first choosing them from this particular section and then tapping here on the delete button. The admin can also filter out the what we say as the request, like approved and requested but not approved for the host there, so that he can approve the same for the hotels as well. The hotels that have been added, and here you can see the complete list of hotels with the hotel image, the name of the hotels, the website, and you can also see the address, the owner, the status, whether it's enabled or disabled. Here we have an option to approve or we can also edit any of the rooms that are there. To create a new one, you'll have to tap here in the add button, and that brings up the section wherein the admin can set up the general data for the hotel by setting up its name, its description, the meta tag, title, description, and the keywords. Apart from that, he can add the images for the hotel that he's going to create. He can enable the particular hotel so that it's available while we are creating the amenities, so that he can access the hotel there, so as to assign the amenities. Then we have the hotel details, so you'll have to enter the address of your hotel, set up your email, website, contact, fax number, set up your check-in and check-out time for your hotel. So the address that you entered here would be visible to the customers at the store front. And if I just go to this Golden Jungle Hotel, so you can see that it's located somewhere here within the United States. So that's how after you've entered the respective address here, it would then be visible to the customers on the profile page of the respective what we say as the host or the vendor who has set up his hotels there. Now coming back to the configuration here, thereafter you'll have to tap here in the save button and you're done creating your hotel. Now let me edit one of the hotels here. That's the hotel Golden Jungle Hotel. Let me edit it up. So here's the data that's filled up. Under the data, the image, it's enabled. Under the details, you can see American Folk is there and the rest of the details. Now coming to the room section, from here the admin can create a new room by tapping here in the add button, can delete them as well, and can filter them out as required. And the filtration can be done for the rooms by choosing approved or requested but not approved for the rooms as well. So there's a limit for the approval or non-approval. And here's a complete list of rooms that are there of the marketplace vendors as well as the admin. And from here the admin can edit any of the rooms and can create a new room as well for his own hotel. So to add a room, you'll have to set up the general data, that's the name of the room, its description. Going to data, you'll be able to set up the price per night for the room, the quantity that's available, the number of maximum adults, and the children allowed, the booking from and till values. So these values are the values that can be chosen by the customers to make a booking for this particular hotel's respective room. Now under the hotel, you can assign this particular room to any of your created hotels. So we've assigned it to Queen's Lodge. We can also assign this room to the Golden Jungle Hotel. Coming to the fixed facilities, here you can add your fixed facilities that you're already giving in the amount that you're charging. And for the additional charges, you can set up your optional facilities like as you can see here, and these are then reflected here at the storefront. For example, if I go to the more details, here we have includes. These are the ones that are there without the amount. And for checking with amount, you'll have to make for example, you have to tap here, and then we can check the details for the same. Now coming back to the room section, lastly you can add the multiple images for your rooms that would then be visible to the customers at the storefront. To add more, just tap here on the add. To remove, tap here on the remove button. Coming to the fixed facilities, here you can set up the icons, the name of the fixed facilities as well. As you can see here, we can edit, delete, and we can improve them as well. To add a new one, just tap here on the add button. For example, if you want to edit this gym, you can tap here on the edit. After you have created, you can change the name, set up the facility icon, choose to enable or disable this one, and set the sort order for this particular gym facility. Coming to the optional facilities, from here you can create the optional facilities. You can add their icons. You can set up the sort status. To add more, just tap here, enter the facility name, set up its sort order, and tap here on the save button. Now after that, under the hotels, here the admin can find the hotel reviews, so he can filter them out by enable or disable option for the review, hotel name, the author, or the date added as well. So here you can see the list of the hotel names for which different authors, ratings, status, and the date added are visible. So you can enable or disable them as well. To edit, just tap edit, check the customer who has posted this with their name, their post, their ratings, their status, and the image as well. Now coming to the book rooms, here the admin can book the rooms for the customers as well. So here he'll have to choose the start and the end date for the booking. Choose one of the hotels. According to the chosen one, you'll have the different rooms available for that one. If I choose Queen's Lodge, we have a lot of here. We can choose a comfort or a luxurious room. The number of persons, for example, we have 2. Number of adults, number of children. Then the admin can tap on the check availability whether the booking is available for this room type. Yes, it's available. We can tap here on the book room button. And after tapping there on the book button, you'll have to set up the customer details, his address details. The customer's required details have also to be filled, like his first name, last name, email, telephone number, his required details. And then we can also add the rooms as well. So for example, if I just go and I'll just enter the details here and here as well, and thereafter I'll be just tapping here on the add room button. And as soon as I've tapped on the add room button, we can see the payment section and the room section. So luxurious room, quantity is 2. The payment method, so we need to choose that from the drop down. And before going to the payment method, if I come down here, you can see we have adults 2, the checkout time, the rate, the duration, and we also have the extra amenities that can be set by the admin for this particular booking for the customers. One is child. And now let's tap here on the save button. So these 2 amenities have been added. And now you can see after we have saved that as well, we have the payment method. We'll have to choose that up and tap on the apply button thereafter. And now we'll again come down and tap here on the save button. And that creates the booking after you've tapped here on the save button. Now one more thing is that the admin can also search for the customer so that the address gets selected here. So after tapping that up, you can choose any of the customers that are there so as to auto add the address for the customer, and then you'll have to tap here on the save button, and the particular booking of the rooms would be done by the admin for the marketplace customers. Now coming to the all booking sections in the last, here the admin can find the complete list of bookings that have been made for the different room types, and the admin can check the details of the same by tapping here on the booking link under the booking column. And for this luxurious one, we can see the different bookings that have been done by the customers, and here you can see the details as well. The name, email, telephone, booking from, and two values, the quantity, and a button to cancel the booking under the actions column. The admin can also export the details of the booking and reservation for the respective uh, rooms by choosing the export from and the export to dates, choosing the export format as a Excel file or a comma separated value file, and then tapping here in the export button. You can also filter out the bookings for this particular room by entering the customer name, his email, or the customer telephone, or the booking from in two values, and tapping on the filter button. To cancel a particular booking, the admin can tap here in the cancel it button, and that brings up the section again, and we can see that right now the booking has been cancelled by the admin himself. Okay, so that was about the hotels, how we can manage, create the hotels rooms, how we can assign the rooms to the hotels, how we can set up the fixed facilities, optional facilities, how we can see the hotel reviews, how we can book the rooms from the admin, how to check all of the bookings within the hotel booking management system. And lastly, we have the hotel hosts, and here we have the details of the host itself, like the complete list of hosts, their income, transactions, the mails, host reviews, and the queries itself. Now, in the coming second video of this particular plugin, I'll be showing you the overview of these hotel host options that we have here, and I'll also be showing you the initial configuration settings for the same. So for that, we have to go through extensions, and then we go to the module section. Here you'll have to scroll down and you'll have to find the marketplace hotel booking and reservation. So after the successful installation, first you need to make the initial configuration, so you have to follow this particular path, edit, and then here you can enable or disable this marketplace hotel booking and reservation facility for your store. You can set up the general settings for the approval and the rest of the things. Enter the Google key to display the maps, and you can set up the range of the hotels. So the range as set here will then be used for displaying the respective hotels to the customers according to the customer's location. And you also have the host configuration for the hosts that have registered within the marketplace hotel booking and reservation system. The admin can set up the commission for each, choose the commission priority, set up the account options there for the customers, set up the profile settings, host details, images, and the mails as well. So this will be covered in the next coming video for the OpenCart multi-vendor marketplace hotel booking and reservation system. Also, if you have still any questions, queries, or doubts, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. You can contact us through our contact us link, that is https://www.webkul.com/contacts for a faster response to your queries. And you can check the user guide and the live demo that I've attached within the description of this particular video for a better understanding of the same and how this particular marketplace hotel booking and reservation system works. And that was much, and please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. And lastly, once again, if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.